Hey guys, today I have a new Soundgarden album, Superunknown, on vinyl. I'm going to show you me unwrapping it, show you the gatefold, fold it out, show you the artwork, and show you what songs are on each side of each of the two LPs. Let's get started. Get my knife out, and we will open this record up. Soundgarden is really taking off. This new album. You seen the music video? Black Hole Sun. That's crazy. How do they do that? Yeah, I have the album. It's a little more expensive, but CDs are just, things like CDs are just taking over. Anyway, I like the sound of the records better, as you guys know. So here's the album. It's got a nice finish to it. The finish is, it's not glossy. It's kind of a matte finish to the front. You don't get that glare. Reflection. I'll show you the back here. It's pretty plain. It just has a list of the songs. I'll open it up and we'll see the inside. That is similar to what's in the music video, as I'm sure you guys know. They show it on MTV just about every time. They show it in another music video and then that one again. But I guess when you spend as much money as they did on it, probably will deserve it. Okay, we've got a little booklet here. It's got some more pictures. There's some cool pictures here. This looks like it's going to be the lyrics to the songs. This is pretty cool. This doesn't come with many records. There's a large book. It's kind of like what they have with CDs, but much bigger. Alright, I'll take this and put it down here, and we'll look at the records. It looks like the records are in plain sleeves. That's a little disappointing. Set that down carefully, and we'll see what's on. This is side 1. This is the very first side of the album. Has Let Me Drown, My Wave, Fell on Black Days, and Mailman. And side 2, Superunknown, Head Down, Black Hole Sun. I'll put that one back in here and we'll look at the other record. This is a double LP album. If I can get it back in there. Alright, here's side 3. Spoon Man, Limo Wreck, The Day I Tried to Live, and Kickstand. And over here, Fresh Tendrils. That's an interesting title. 4th of July, Half, Like Suicide, and She Likes Surprises. And these are just plain records, plain black vinyl. I'll put this back in there. And that'll pretty much do it for my review of Soundgarden's new record, Superunknown. It's nice quality. Everything's nice. And I'm sure it'll be a great album. I love their new song, Black Hole Sun. I'm sure the rest of the album will be just fine. There you have it, my review of Soundgarden's new album. Thanks for watching.